Hey, Gary's Classic Car Show here at the Elks is over for this Friday, the last Friday in April 2019. They're rolling out. Being caught on Dano Vision. How about that, huh? Pretty and red. Look at that 65 Ribby was award winner tonight. Yeah. There goes my favorite Chevy truck with stacks. And right behind it, my favorite Jeep, Liberty. Yeah. Yeah, the Mustang. Wow, look at that. How about that? Nice and sound. Oh, Mike, he wins the trophy with his muscle car. In fact, see you later. Knocked him a battery. Yeah, that was Dano Live ride last week. Sweetest ride. Look at this cab over, huh? How sweet is that? Got Lincoln taillights. Look at that, huh? Isn't that awesome? Oh, that's a 4.1. And more rolling out here. This looks like this is Buford with his 40. There's Bride to Be. That is 40 with a flame. Look at this. 50 Plymouth for Grumpy. How about that? How cool is that? You never see one of them hardly ever at all. With a Ford, that series pulling out. This could be a 32. American Mags. Look at that Humpmobile. That is a Humpmobile. Hudson Humpmobile. Look at this fat fender Ford, wide whites. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, it is very pretty. Look at the long bed Chevy white over red. Pick them up truck. Wide whites, dog ditch hubcaps. Look at this. 50, I believe it's a 50 Chevrolet Deluxe 4-door rear window passenger door air conditioning. And we got his ride pulling out in a 29, a fine ride. And we got a monster truck. Look at here, we got a 32 Bonneville Racer. The moons, full moons on the back. Look at that, huh? He's got the goggles on, the warm hat. He won't be getting cold on his ride home. What else we got coming up here? Got the high beams on me. I think that's a 70, 69 satellite. Look, there's a Mustang. That is the best of show right there. How about that? Congratulations. Wow. And there's his, this would be his grandpa. This would be Ed and his 44. They're sporting American flags. Hey, Ed. Got the wide whites, the wire wheels. How sweet is that? Look at the LEDs going around on the trunk. That's pretty awesome. Yeah. What else we got rolling up here? I think we're almost about it. We got a few little. We have 57 wagon. Be a 210. We're gonna catch this Plymouth rolling out. It's original mileage, original owner, numbers matching, satellite. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Nice new black convertible top. Yeah. And we got here, we got a late model Ford F-Series truck right there. And I think that's gonna be about it. These cars are a little slow in getting rolling. Maybe we'll give them a few moments here to see if they can roll up here. Got something sneaking up by here. Can't tell what it is. Oh, it's a Corvette. That's what it is. There it is, yeah. How about that? He got the T-tops off, luggage rack on. He's ready to hit the road. Gonna cruise on out. Yeah, another Mustang looks to be a 67, maybe a 68. It's got a nice tone to it. Yeah, it does have that nice tone to it. Yeah. How about that? Takes a lot longer to put these in than to get them out. Look at this. Chevy truck. I think it's a 55, 56. It's a step side. Look at that. Big window back. Yep. There you have it. The rest of the cars are a little late in coming, so we'll try to get them next time. Dano Live, Dano Vision, Elks Club, Warner Park, Gary's Classic Car Friday on Dano Vision.